Okay, so this is a mystery pepper. It was in a packet that said Carolina Reaper, and it clearly is not. But what my guess is that it was open pollination. It was crossed with something. We don't know what the cross is. It resembles a Black Hungarian Hotwax very much, but we just tried one of those today already, and there's a difference. We have not tasted this one yet, but it's burning. Also,
It smells
the
really
smell
spicy.
is really intense. It is very sweet, very fruity, and very hot smell, which, you know, that nice the nice fruity sweet smell, I'm sure is there to trick you into thinking, I'm not harmful, but I smell the heat. So this will be interesting. I really don't think it is Hungarian Hotwax at all. So I don't know if you want to start with a small piece. This was growing out of it like, you know, one of those defects. I don't know what you want to call it. It's odd.
I'll eat the tip, which should be less spicy. We'll eat. Spicy right away.
Yeah, even this little thing, immediate.
We have to eat this whole thing at once. Really.
I'll let you do it for. Ooh, that is spicy.
This will be really spicy.
Oh shit! Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
I'm scared.
Oh my god. No, I don't know, man. That is so hot. This is not Hungarian Hotwax. I ate a tiny piece and phew, this is hot.
I just ate like it's all over my mouth, but now the spice will come soon.
I'm scared.
So you can do it.
I don't know.
It's getting really spicy right now.
I don't know if this was hotter or not.
Can try. It's getting spicy. It must have been a cross-pollinated with Carolina Reaper.
It has to be, because this is the hottest I've tasted by far, and I thought little prairie fire was hot here recently.
Yeah, this is the hottest for sure right now.
This is freaking hot.
There was a lot of juice, so it's all over my mouth. That's more on the bottom of the mouth, but it's completely burning on the bottom.
Dude, no, I don't know.
You can
Eat
take
that
it.
one and see if there was a difference. Because if it's the same or more mild, then I'm gonna have to chicken out. What?
It's hot.
Was it hotter? No, just the same?
It's the same, I think.
Oh crap. Alright, a little piece.
You take the bottom. That was spicier than the Scotch bonnet.
Okay, this wasn't as spicy as the thing you just ate. I mean, I took a same size. Wait though. Doesn't mean it won't get spicier. No, it is really. Uh-oh, here comes the hot fruity flavor. I know I'm about to feel it. Uh-oh, because it was pungent fruit, flowery fruit, and then the heat comes.
I can't really hold it.
Oh boy.
It's done.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna eat this slowly because, like I said, This thing is hot, and I would guarantee this was a hybrid.
I know you can eat the whole thing as I did, and I'm okay right now.
Oh, that just sprayed. Huh? All right.
But it just
Okay.
tasted like
Like-
a really, just a green chili.
All right, I can do it.
It's going away really fast. It was hot, but right now it's going away really fast.
Very, very strong, like pungent. After like 5 seconds, you get a strong
Yeah, it's really
fruit,
fast.
flower, heat follows immediately after, and then it starts.
And the prairie fire was a lot faster acting.
And it lasted longer.
Yeah.
Okay, I
one,
survived. It's in my throat now.
it's going away like really fast with me. It's only my lips a bit right now.
I'm gonna have to definitely replant this because this is a very neat type, I think, to keep growing.
It was a good intense, but then it goes away, so it's good.
All right, so I got tears in my eyes a bit and a lot of burning, but I just don't get super reactions so far. Ooh, very much burning in the back of my throat. All right, popping out the water because I do feel the burn. Helped a little.
I always feel it in my stomach, like not hot, but it moves my stomach.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that was our hottest pepper for sure. Wish I knew exactly what the cross was, but that had to be hybrid of Carolina Reaper and whatever it was. Maybe the Hungarian Hotwax. But ooh, that was our hottest chili. Absolutely. That's all I gotta say.
And it goes away, away really fast.
Yeah, it's starting to. And I'm feeling my stomach is warm.
I like it because it goes away, but like, for example, the Scotch bonnet lasted forever.
Yeah. So with this one, at least, if you feel like you're dying, it's over quick.
Yeah.
So you're
I don't
okay.
feel anything at all right now.
Mine is starting to dissipate. Yeah, so thumbs up for that one.
It was the first time it was like I tasted one like that comes and then goes away. It feels good because it's not making you suffer for the next 30 minutes.
Yeah. Really good.